I'd show a nipple for Darren Lacey, but not right now. So the water's not quite as clear as other areas. There was a lot of seaweed yesterday. Today it's a little nicer. It's always warm. It's super warm. It's October. And it's super warm. There's a sandbar up here. That's the thing. You get in, it's kind of deep for a minute. Well, it's not deep, but you know, it's deeper than it is here. There's a sandbar right here. Okay, short clips, because I need, you know, long videos, keep the interest, keep the watch time. I need to just make a short clip. So I'm going to end this one and start the next one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the virtual reality luxury beach vacation genre that I'm creating. And go watch Elastica VR. That guy, man, he makes really good videos. Bye.